Okay, today we're gonna be chasing, oh god, a Z06 and a ZR1. I don't know how well this is gonna work, and I probably can't talk very well because I'm gonna be focused trying to keep up with these fuckers. I can already tell I am gonna have a very fun time trying to keep up. Having like 180 horsepower compared to 634 of the ZR1, there's a bit of a gap there, if I gotta be honest. But I'll definitely try my best, and I can guarantee this dude's not going to drive his hardest right now, but we'll see what I can do. Yeah, clearly he's not driving too fast, considering I'm still behind them. Yeah, it's quite funny how I'm like absolutely pushing it, or not absolutely pushing it, but I'm moving to try to keep up with these guys, and they're not going fast whatsoever. Even like floored right now, I can guarantee that man is not floored whatsoever, and he's just gone, absolutely just gone. I'm doing everything that I can to keep up with these guys. Oh my. corner right here. This least favorite corner, all of 9, right up in here. Oh, it's so gross. It just shoots you off at like the exact wrong angle. God, I wish this thing had more power. Okay. I don't think I kept up too bad. This is where they're gonna dust me. On these really long straights, oh, there's a car in front of us, so. But on these much more high-speed corners, there's not a fucking chance I'm keeping up with them. My car can't do that. I ain't got that much grip. Whew. All right, at least we got, what is that, M3 in front of us, I think? Oh yeah. M3's not going very fast. Or is that an M4? Can't see. No, no, it's an M3. I like that color though. Oh, we got another, what is that, is that a C5 or a C6? Another C6 behind us. We got the whole Corvette gang out right now. And then we got the Beamer that was following me. I think one of the coolest things is the fact that this car is from 1987 and has 167 horsepower, and even though those guys weren't pushing it, like the fact that I was able to keep up for a small amount, or actually I should say the whole time that we were going up I was able to keep up, I think that's pretty impressive for this car. So yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it here now that we're at skid pad. I hope you guys enjoyed that little POV Touge run up at skid. Peace.